What is shredded cookies? Because there was a ये मेरा
Actors, director, assistant director.
यहाँ पे आके बैठो, मेरा असिस्टेंट बन जाओ तुम्हारे साथ। सही है।
Don't even have the full work done.
We just don't have a
Your
plate
hands
yet.
look so kale, bro.
Everything looks kala. Hi, she's in my class again because I have a presentation again.
Every time.
She's the main character in the presentation, so इसको अपने आप को देखना होता है. No, no.
She always begs me to come to her class just so that she could calm down her nerves of her presentation.
Oh my god, मेरी सबसे पहले क्यों है? I was so tired. She's gonna go home today and I'm gonna go to my home and we're just going to fucking sleep.
Sleep, like we haven't slept for 2 days and we did all the work, so like I'm proud of ourselves.
And for 3 days we've just been going on.
Yeah, like हम 2 मिनट के लिए भी नहीं बैठे
टिके नहीं. हाँ.
I give you the candle idea. Oh my god, he's gonna love that. He's gonna love that.
What the heck? I wanna record but I can't because there's like these bikes beside me. Look, I get so scared when there's a bike beside me. Good morning. I woke up at 5 in the morning. What the fuck? Yeah, I know. Because एक assignment थी जो मुझे करनी थी and मैंने पूरा हफ्ता obviously नहीं करी, so Thursday आज आ गया था and then I slept last night. I woke up, I did my assignment 7 बजे when I have to like start getting ready. 2 घंटे लगा के मैंने assignment तो कर ली थी. It was fine, whatever, not the best assignment in the world, but I would have gotten marked on it. The teacher decides to text that there's no class today. What the fuck do you mean there's no class today? उस वक्त तक obviously I couldn't go. What the fuck is happening? There's too much traffic. इसलिए मैं film कर रही हूँ, so don't worry about it. तो फिर उस वक्त तक मेरी नींद खराब हो गई थी and then I was like, what's the point of going back to sleep? So I just did my work. I started getting ready for now this second class 10 बजे. Okay, yeah, I couldn't go back to sleep because मेरी दूसरी class थी. I forgot to tell you that. 5 घंटे I used the laptop and I just did all my shit, which resulted in my hand getting fucked again. There's something wrong with my hand, which एक हफ्ता सही हुआ था वो, but I think मैंने उसको वापस maximum capacity पे use कर लिया उसके. Oh, police, wait. There's so much police on the road nowadays. What is? Is something going on in the fucking expo center? I fucking hate the expo center, bro. Okay, holy shit, I made it. Then I had my coffee, but then by the time मैं university के लिए leave कर रही थी, obviously उस coffee का effect खत्म हो गया था. So I went to OD. I got hazelnut latte and assorted cookies. I got 2 assorted cookies because there was a deal. I'm a victim, bro. I like the chocolate chip ones. The dark chocolate ones have this like khatta, not khatta. What salty? Namkeen taste. वो जो baking की चीजों में होता है ना, I hate it so much, so I don't really like those. He drove like an asshole. This hazelnut latte is actually a banger. Okay, see you guys in the class. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. Wow, I'm surprised you know that. Hi guys. Oh, no, let's relax. It's my phone. हमारी English की class में debate हुई थी. We both ate.
We both devoured.
I was editing my vlog and I realized how much my hand shakes, and then that reminded me of my DMM ke sir, and then I was like, maybe he's right.
You're saying maybe?
Okay,
I can tell you he is right.
Okay, he needs to understand that when I'm doing his assignments, I'm literally just vlogging. Like I'm just being silly goofy.
Look, I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna teach you.
Teach me, mommy. Anyway, oh wow, it's so stable. We cannot be stable.
Stable तो हम ना जिंदगी में हैं, ना mentally हैं, ना emotionally हैं. Also, इस week हमने फिर धोखा खाया किसी से.
I'm not gonna do this. Jhonka khaya, jhonka. Should I put this in? I'm not gonna put this in.
People make us feel so stupid. Just put that
Fuck
in.
it, guess we both in shit. One of my teachers, she's actually scared of him.
He doesn't say anything, he doesn't do anything, but it's just the way that he looks, the way that he teaches.
The extra class.
I accidentally swallowed my chewing gum.
Oh my gosh, show me.
It just slipped down my throat.
Stop.
Whenever she really wants you to stop, she's gonna be like, stop.
I never say that.
Sure?
Stop. Stop lagao.
Fully stop.
Bust up. Shut the fuck up. She was at my place for 2 days और रोज सुबह मैं उसको ऐसे उठाती थी जैसे like दुनिया end हो रही है और कल
I was like, what is wrong with you? Oh, so annoying to live with.
statistics speak for themselves. तो कल ये मेरे घर से अपने घर पे गई और कल यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं आई.
मेरी अलार्म बजी थी लेकिन वो एक ही अलार्म थी सिर्फ.
अलार्म मेरा भी
एक ही अलार्म.
मेरा भी एक ही अलार्म होता है.
Like on crazy. Like 5 alarms and then I wake up on the 5th one.
See, that's a skill issue. You are the problem.
They keep killing us, mother.
They keep taking and taking. J Cole, guys, इसको J Cole का गाना पता है, बहुत बड़ी बात है भाई. Good morning. That is me. This is me. Look at all the shit I have in my hand. Look at this shit. Having a magnificent morning. Thanks for asking. I'm actually not. I'm at a tire wala. I'm at a tire wala. Why do I sound so vulgar? Be for real, it's too early for this. Yeah, you can't tell because you're not a tech geek like me. You cannot tell the difference, but it's my camera, I can. Screen देख कितनी stable है. Can you not see?
Oh, अच्छा वो जो टेप से जोड़ी हुई.
Yeah, उसके नट लगवा लिए मैंने finally. Hello, look at my working ass. Like I'm a working ass. Okay, Hiba, stop.
She has so much ADHD today. Like I'm actually going insane with her. It happens really rarely.
Yeah,
so
I know.
She's always the one going insane with me.
But आज मेरी बहुत energy है मेरे अंदर. The way they should eyes. Okay, you talk to the camera while I do my work because I'm not working. Guys, Hiba bought chalia today, so we're both eating chalia. इसलिए हमारे like मुंह में वो अजीब पनवाड़ी सा पता चले ना हम कराची से.
So in the class today, हमारा photography का midterm होने वाला है and it's like he's making a huge deal because it is a huge deal.
It's always
and we
a
should
huge
really
deal.
focus on that. Oh my god, she kept using the PC and I kept telling her, please yaar, kuch seekh le. You know Photoshop, you're gonna do it. I'm gonna be the model.
God, I'm the worst vlogger in the fucking world. The sir was like, आप लोग को क्या टेंशन है? आपके पास एक मॉडल है तो like so casually.
Period.
Obsessed with me, period. And he's like around actual fucking model.
It's a compliment for you.
Yeah. Okay, it must feel like it's literally me in my car every day, all the time, but that's what I'm doing. जब तक मेरा midterm होगा ना, इस semester का midterm, तब तक मेरे बाल literally grey हो जाए. I'm gonna be like 20 years older than what I am today. Oh my god, the work on 6 courses मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, जिसमें से एक course इतना stress दे रहा है. The other courses are fine. They're not fine, but I think I'll make it. Yeah, हम लोग market में serious लिए थे हमारे. They're arguing with the shopkeepers ताकि हमें ये लोग filming करने दें. I have to show Hiba something and I really wanted to record her reaction. Just so you know, this thing made me cry.
Okay, what?
Okay.
That's crazy.
My
Oh
god. Literally ruined my entire fucking day. I slept for 10 hours yesterday, okay, and I was like, I woke up feeling so good because it felt like मैं 3 दिन से सो रही हूँ. मैंने अच्छी सी कॉफी बनाई और मैं पी रही हूँ और मैं चिल हूँ और मैं मस्ती कर रही हूँ. मैंने अपना Instagram खोला and I don't watch stories. You know I don't watch stories. Hiba just came, guys. Yeah, Hiba, why are you here again?
She's always dumping her trauma onto me.
That's crazy. I'm gonna have the worst weekend of my life.
Bitch, you better not.
Bitch, you better be joking.
You have to work a lot.
Yeah.
I hope you're thinking about that too.
No, I'm really not. I am in trauma right now. Please give me some time to heal.
Okay. You're gonna turn 24 soon. You
Oh
better
my
get your
god.
shit-
Okay, I hate her. And we're done. You have to leave now. You just came, you have to leave. Hi. 2 independent girls were out and about really doing stuff today. Like, we really did stuff.
I never
And-
thought in my whole life that I would do all of that for years.
हाँ हम बहुत चले and then we bought all the stuff जो हमारे photography के assignment के लिए चाहिए and we drank cheap Red Bull like
That was amazing.
the best.
Paid only like 130 for like a big glass.
160.
160 for like actual Red Bull. We paid 600.
Yeah.
That's
एंड ग्लास में डबल आया होगा, जो कैन में आता है उससे डबल होगा. Cover up my face. Look at this setup. ये आए हम lights, big light. हम we got this like photography box made जिसके अंदर हम लोग अपने product photography करेंगे. Ring light gave up on us, my filters, and then this is where the real shit starts from. Wow, are you joking? अब हिबा का camera is dead, so now we're just gonna charge, take a break, and then we're gonna get back to it.
and we're gonna eat noodles.
What was that? Oh my god, I actually don't even look that bad. I have an orange shirt. Don't ask me. Okay, I got this shirt from Beach Tree. मैंने नीचे trousers अपने उसके पहने हुए सुबह वाले जो. We're gonna do a photo shoot now with my face. I'm gonna model for a serum that's like not even paying me. I love how we're not even getting paid for all of this. और हम सुबह से ये काम कर रहे हैं. Cooked dinner for ourselves because मेरी family आज घर पर कोई भी नहीं था. So Hibba and I had like the entire weekend to ourselves. तो कल भी हम लोगों ने पूरा दिन काम किया और डिनर खुद बनाया था और आज भी. We're just so independent like that. What did you do? What happened? Okay guys, had an outfit change because that shirt was showing इनसे लगा. Wow, this look at my camera's quality. Look at this. इसमें बहुत मेरे हाथ नजर आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है. We've run out of poses and I don't like my face. ये मेरे sunset lamp की light है. Now I'm scared. मैं पहले बातें करी थी. I didn't notice. Good now. Okay, I think I'm good now. I look stupid. Okay, now let's do it. That's me, guys. I look so
Amazing, guys. Look at this. Look. Oh my god, it's not full.
50 hijab styles, 2 shirts, and a lot of things later. And I hate it. I hate everything. My face looks so good on my camera. I swear, मेरा कैमरा मुझे जस्टिस करता है, क्योंकि उस कैमरे को पता है कि असली ओनर को बाप होता है. This is like 2 AM. I'm tired of posing. मैं 2 घंटे से पोज कर रही हूँ. हिब्बा, I should really be paid for this, bro. Sir Nawaz. Now Ayan is the model. And he is shaving his unibrow. बस 7 बजे हम एक और शूट पे जाना है और वो वाला पूरे दिन का फिल्म शूट है, नॉट लाइक पिक्चर्स फोटो शूट. हिब्बा नहीं होती तो मैं क्या करती. लाइक okay, I know I'm model, but she is the one that's like doing all the technical shit, and I would not have been able to do that.
You would have, because I would have been here.
टाइमर चेक 1-2 घंटे. अयान का फोटो शूट भी हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया. वी वर ट्राइंग टू डू लाइक डुओ पोजेज, अयान और मेरे साथ. बट माई आई, मेरी आँख जब मैं थकती हूँ ना, मेरी ये वाली आँख ऐसे शट डाउन होने लग जाती है. दिस इज लाइक अ रिमाइंडर. Yeah, I know it's called a lazy eye. Shut up. Like the pictures were not turning out good. Now we have to clean up the entire room. Hi, this is the This is the photographer. She did all the work, guys.
No.
We
Yeah.
did all the work. Not naked anymore.
Yeah, he was naked the entire time we were doing a photo.
You're like, he's a man, let's use that. Dr. Rachel internationally is a really cheap serum, you know that, right? यहाँ पे it's a brand.
Really?
Yeah. वहाँ पे 5 रियल में मिलता है ये. Doesn't work. I've used it for a long time. Like you can see my face. Doesn't work.
Wow, so we're doing all this work for a cheap ass brand.
I can't believe this is my life.
Okay, bye bye guys. Good morning. We have slept 1 hour and 50 minutes. Another update, मेरी कॉफ़ी ख़त्म हो गई है जो मैं वहाँ से लेकर आई थी सऊदीया से. एक उस दिन ख़त्म हुई थी और एक आज ख़त्म हो गई. Hiba drank all of it. Like literally ever since I bought that coffee, you haven't left my fucking house. लाइफ में पहली बार देयर इज समथिंग हैपनिंग एंड आई एम नॉट द फर्स्ट वन एट द स्पॉट. मैं इस मॉन्यूमेंट, इस मूवमेंट के लिए बहुत प्राउड हूँ, बट देयर इज पीपल गेटिंग मैड एट मी, तो उसके लिए मैं प्राउड नहीं हूँ. सो एक्स्ट्रा. बट आज हम लोगों के साथ गार्ड है. लाइक देयर इज लाइक वेयर डिड गो. ओके, वी आर गेटिंग गैस एंड वो गार्ड ऐसे घर लेकर उतरा. इट फेल्ट सो सीरियस.
I know, like he's just like this.
He's right there.
We're just dumb little girls.
Literally, we need like protection. Everybody knows that I'm a good girl.
Officer is.
ये लगा लो. अब यार.
or waiting for us.
Environment दिखा।
हमारे साथ हमारे शूट के लिए वो फॉलो है।
हाँ, and they're not even getting paid.
मशहूर हो जाएगा।
तुम्हारा तो white shot लेंगे।
मशहूर हो जाएगा।
These are all the guys that are waiting on us. और अभी हिब्बा, फाइज, अयान सबको मेरे। और टोपी तो आई नहीं हमारी सवेरा। So हाँ एक क्या कहते हैं ग्रुप मेंबर नहीं आया है, ग्रुप मेंबर।
टोपी नहीं है, टोपी सवेरा।
Okay, सवेरा if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
बराबर करो।
नूबिया के यहाँ।
Boss, what do you think about this shoot? What do you think about this shoot, boss?
Oh my God, actors, director, assistant director.
And me? Nobody.
फिल्मिंग की असाइनमेंट हमें ऐसी जगह पे लेकर आ गई है जहाँ पर हम लोग आम दिनों में कभी भी ना जाएं और ये वाली हरकतें कभी भी ना करें। कितनी
बड़ी गंदी जगह है।
Guys, we're stuck in the traffic. There's a traffic jam. Bro, look how close we are to the truck. Hi. So we've been here the entire day. Guys, there's only one character left. और उसकी सबसे ज़्यादा लाइन है, उसका सबसे बोल्ड रोल है. And he's preparing for it. अब हमें फजूल में हंसी आ रही है। पक्कावा ने इतनी गंदी बात बोल दी कि सोचे कुछ रिकॉर्ड ना हुआ। हाय